In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for Google Chat Messages in Gmail. This process is straightforward and perfect for those moments when you need to find specific conversations within your chat history quickly. Let's start by accessing your Gmail account. Open up your web browser and navigate to mail.google.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your Gmail credentials. Once you're on your Gmail homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to the left sidebar. This is where you'll find various sections like Inbox, Sent Mail, Drafts, and importantly the Chat section, which is what we'll be focusing on today. Finding the Chat section is your first step. Typically it's located towards the bottom of the left navigation pane, but it could be elsewhere depending on your personal settings. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to tweak your layout options or expand the menu items in case they're collapsed. Keep an eye out for the small arrow icons that might be hiding sections. Once you've located your chat section, let's move to the search within it. Head to the top of this area where you'll see a search bar. This bar extends the powerful search capabilities of Google to your chat messages, letting you easily sift through past conversations. Now it's time to utilize this tool by clicking into the search bar. Here you'll type in the specific keywords or phrases related to the chat messages you're looking for. Think about what details were discussed or any unique terms used that could help narrow down your search. The more precise you can be, the better the search function can serve you. After inputting your keywords, hit enter and Google Chat will get to work, displaying a list of all the chat messages that match your search terms. These results are typically sorted by relevance, so the ones that best match your query will show up at the top. This can be incredibly useful for quickly pinpointing important conversations or revisiting past discussions without having to scroll endlessly through your chat history. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated searching for Google Chat messages within your Gmail account. This feature is a small yet powerful tool, perfect for organizing and managing your digital communications more efficiently. By incorporating these steps into your routine, you'll be able to access important chat messages with ease, ensuring that no crucial detail gets lost in the shuffle of your busy online world. Remember, a bit of practice with these searches will make you even faster and more efficient over time. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this guide to be helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy chatting and take care.